Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Pestacator 2000 is probably one of the most innovative and effective pest control devices to hit the market in years, promising a future free from unwanted intruders in your home or garden. This advanced gadget utilizes a unique combination of ultrasonic waves and targeted bait systems to humanely deter a wide range of pests, from common rodents and insects to more elusive garden nuisances, without resorting to harmful chemicals or messy traps. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a seamless addition to any household, offering peace of mind and a cleaner living environment. Number 5. Bug Bite Thing Suction Tool. Tired of itchy bug bites? Introducing a revolutionary new way to find relief. This is the Bug Bite Thing. It works by using suction to remove the irritant left behind by insect bites. This simple yet effective method helps stop the itch before it starts. By removing the source of the irritation, your body won't produce the reaction that causes itching and swelling. Get fast-acting relief without chemicals. This tool is compact, lightweight, and reusable, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Keep it in your bag or car for instant relief anytime. It's clinically proven to provide effective relief from bug bites and stings. We're so confident, we offer a 100% guarantee. Enjoy natural, chemical-free relief from insect bites and bee or wasp stings. Always follow the directions for best results. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for immediate itch relief. It works by physically removing irritants from your skin. If you're tired of messy creams and want a natural, portable way to deal with bug bites, this is for you. What people say. It works for mosquitoes and that it good enough for me. All my grandchildren ages 8 and up used it as well, and stopped itching those pesky mosquito bites. No battery, it was easy for all of us to use. It's a good size to put in your first aid kit when you are camping or hiking. But this thing works well enough for me to carry it with me whenever I go, and to absolutely recommend it to anyone who asks. It's also super easy to clean. I would 100% buy again. It's a simple suction tool that pulls out irritants like saliva or venom left behind by bugs, and it really does reduce swelling and itchiness if you use it right after getting bitten. The tool is compact, easy to clean, and safe for kids and adults. Number 4. Ambient Weather EZ-NPP Tripod and Mast Assembly. Introducing the EZ-NPP Tripod and Mast Assembly, a versatile solution for mounting your weather station. It offers a stable base and adjustable height options. This assembly is designed to be compatible with most weather stations, including popular brands like Davis Instruments and Ambient weather stations. Ensure your equipment is securely mounted. Need more height? You can add up to 2 mast extensions, each adding 31 inches to the total height. Customize the setup to your specific needs. The tripod stands at 20 inches, and the included mast brings the total assembly height to approximately 66 inches. Its design ensures stability for your instruments. Featuring a captive stop nut design on the mast collars, tightening is secure and eliminates spin. The gold irradiated components provide excellent corrosion protection for long-lasting use. What we like. Achieve optimal placement for your weather station with this robust assembly. Its durable construction ensures longevity in various conditions. If you need a reliable and adjustable mounting solution for your weather instruments, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Pestacator 2000 is a highly effective device for eliminating pests. Its innovative design allows for easy placement in various areas, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The Pestacator 2000 features advanced technology that targets and neutralizes pests quickly and efficiently. Number 3. Spacelift SL5222S Attic Lift. Tired of struggling with bulky items? This lift has no vertical height restriction, allowing you to move tall boxes and stacks of containers without any obstruction. Its low-profile design makes loading and unloading a breeze. Enjoy flexibility in where you place it, making storage and retrieval effortless. Operating it is as simple as pushing a button. Advanced safety features like obstacle detection and load weight protection ensure peace of mind during use. With a high capacity that carries up to 200 pounds and 24 cubic feet, you can store more and make fewer trips to your attic. This attic lift offers a convenient and reliable solution for your storage needs. It's designed for ease of use and maximum efficiency. We stand behind our product with a 2-year limited warranty, giving you confidence in your purchase. What we like. Maximize your storage space with this innovative lift system. It handles large and heavy items with ease, making attic access effortless. If you have bulky items to store or frequently access your attic, this lift will save you time and effort. What people say. Good value and strong lifting capacity. Works great. Wired controller has plenty of length to mount on side wall. Very satisfied with design and workmanship of product. The unit was easy to install once I watched the videos. Operation is slick. It's well designed and seems well made. Number 2. Summit Chemical CO 117 to 630 ounces. Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution designed for maximum effectiveness. Its potent formula works quickly to tackle tough messes. Rest assured, this product is registered with the EPA in all 50 states. This ensures it meets stringent safety and environmental standards. It comes in a generous 30-ounce size, providing ample product for all your cleaning needs. This convenient packaging makes it easy to handle and store. Experience the difference of a quick-acting formula. It gets the job done efficiently, saving you time and effort. Choose a product that delivers reliable results every time. Its advanced formulation is built for superior performance. What we like. Get rid of pests quickly and effectively with this potent formula. It's approved for use everywhere, ensuring broad applicability. If you need a rapid and widely compliant pest control solution, this product delivers reliable results. What people say. First try I just put it in a pitcher and let it sit for a few hours and dumped it on my plants. I then learned that you need to get something to prevent the pieces. I ended up getting some knee-high pantyhoses, filling up a Home Depot bucket about halfway with water and filled up about 10% of each hose x3. I let it soak a few hours, using a latex glove to squeeze the juice out. I could see the cloudy water. I then used a cup and put some in my plants, replaced all the sticky catchers. Week later, huge difference. But, I didn't use all the stuff mixture. It kept soaking, I had it covered with a towel. When I uncovered it had a different smell and it was very cloudy. I did my squeezing and watered all my plants. Overall, I can see a huge difference. There is hardly any black gnats on the sticky. I am very excited and still have 95% of the bag left. Considering the first application made a dent, the second will be the game changer. This does work very well for fungus gnats, but I believe this may work best when used with a combination of products. First of all, I cannot guarantee elimination if you use these alone for the gnats. Maybe it does work alone, but I tried this as a last resort, as I used a combination of the following. First of all, for gnats I highly recommend using a top dressing that will cover the soil completely. I used a combo of sand and small quartzite gravel volcanic rock. For anything edible I don't suggest using sand, only use sand for ornamental plants and sand that is silica-free, play sand. Make sure the dressing is at least 1 inch thick on top, but if possible the thicker the dressing the better. This will eliminate the majority of the gnats alone. I thought I eliminated all of them with only the top dressing and those yellow sticky traps, but I noticed a few stragglers so I added this to the repertoire. I was a bit hesitant to use this at first because of the warning label, it's required by law, but based on my research I felt comfortable using it. The main ingredient, BTI, stands for Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, which is a type of bacteria that is naturally occurring. The studies I've read have shown no serious health consequences for humans or animals. In some rare cases there was irritation to the skin, eyes, but no long-term serious health consequences. I would never use any product that puts my health at risk, and most importantly the health of my animals, but if you're still worried do your own research. To be extra paranoid, safe I water my plants away from my animals and wash my hands thoroughly after use. Make sure you measure the amount correctly. This is vital. Also, when making a tea for gnat elimination, the suggested brewing period I find is too short. What I do is make a mix in my watering jug and let it sit for at least 12 hours. Then I stir it very well and apply. I have used it 4 times and the gnats are no more. I'm going to continue applying a few more times to be sure. I am hoping this will work for thrips as well, from what I have read it does. If this works for thrips I will update my review, trust me when I say the gnats were an easy enemy compared to thrips, ha. Count your blessings if you're only battling gnats. Thrips update, I do believe this works on thrips as well, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I have one pot that I should have changed out the dirt to help eliminate them, but honestly because the size of the plant it would be a headache, so I decided to leave it as is and do the following. First I added a top dressing of sand and rocks, then every day for a few minutes I would do a quick examination of the plant and smash any thrips I found. I removed very sickly damaged foliage. I also added sticky traps to get the ones I missed, and then I applied the mosquito bits, once per week. Apply to your normal watering schedule if it isn't the same as mine. I did this for 4 weeks and I have yet to find any more thrips. My sickly plant looks completely healthy now. I believe it's been about 3 to 4 months since I completed treatment. I am being cautiously optimistic about this though because their eggs might be dormant, but I will provide a final update once I believe I have won this battle, or not lol. Final update. So shortly after my last update my mom brought a plant home. That was infested with thrips. Ah, ha 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 ha, screaming at the top of my lungs thanks mom. Thankfully they didn't spread much. I restarted my battle as per above. It has been a year since my battle first started with thrips and they are no more. I'm convinced enough. How you wonder? Because I reused the same dirt that definitely had their larvae in it for several new plants. I know, I'm completely mental haha, and there has been zero thrip activity whatsoever. The dirt was infested from a year ago. I'm totally convinced. This also works on thrip larvae as I read in previous studies. Just follow my directions on thrips above. Was the battle worth it though? Probably not, to be honest. I would have been way less stressed if I just tossed the plant out and started over, but I hate giving up. If you have time on your hands, or are as nuts as I am, go ahead and become a plant-saving warrior. Mosquito bits help a lot with plant soil gnats. They are not 100% effective. The bigger ones are gone and the young ones are becoming more scarce. Took about 4 to 5 weeks. Difficult to mix with water as per instructions. You would need pantyhose or something like it to put bits in before placing the tied-up pantyhose in water. Bits do not dissolve. If you place them directly in water you will be sifting for hours. With the hose you just let it soak for a while, speaking from experience. No bad smell. Number 1. Tomcat Bromethalin Bait Chunx, Rat and Mouse Control. Introducing Tomcat Bromethalin Bait Chunx, designed for effective rat and mouse control in agricultural settings. These blocks offer a powerful solution for your rodent problems. For optimal results, use these blocks within 100 feet of man-made structures. This strategic placement ensures they are effective where you need them most. Norway rats, roof rats, and house mice stop feeding after consuming a lethal dose. Experience quick and effective elimination of common rodent pests. Each 1 ounce block can kill up to 12 mice, and 4 ounces of blocks can eliminate up to 10 rats. Get more control with less bait. When used outdoors or where children, pets, or non-target animals may access them, always use tamper-resistant bait stations. Safety is paramount for effective and responsible rodent control. What we like. Control rodent populations efficiently with these powerful bait blocks. They are designed for agricultural settings and proven to be highly effective. If you're dealing with rats and mice in an agricultural environment and need a strong, targeted solution, these are the blocks to use. What people say. The active ingredient in this rodenticide is bromethalin. Unlike first and second generation rodenticides which function as anticoagulants, bromethalin is a neurotoxin, making it far more effective and faster. With bromethalin, 1 single lethal dose is all that is required to kill the creature. The rat usually dies around 3 days later. Tomcat Bromethalin Bait Chunx are incredibly effective for rodent control and have solved my pest problem completely. These bait blocks work exceptionally well. I noticed results within days of placement. The bromethalin formula is highly effective and provides faster results than traditional anticoagulant baits. The best poisons are long gone, the government forced them off the market. This is the same bait used by pest control companies. The EPA banned all other poisons several years ago. After I set this station up I started to find dead rats. The one thing about using this poison is that the rats don't usually avoid it but they wander off and die. The other rats are not suspicious of the bait. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.